Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fix the problem that you might be having with your iPhone if you keep getting the no service error. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the settings on our iPhone if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up or do not know how to open up the settings on your iPhone, what you can do is just go to the home page of your iPhone right here and tap on the settings icon. After tapping on the settings icon, it's going to go ahead and open up this new menu from where we can get started browsing all the settings we have regarding our iPhone. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to go ahead and get started fixing the no service options and errors. So basically guys, what we want to do first is to start with simple toggles like airplane mode, and after that we can go ahead and try some different solutions. So basically you're going to toggle airplane mode. Go ahead and open up your settings, and here in the upper left corner you can go ahead and tap on airplane mode to turn it on for 30 seconds. Then you can go ahead and turn it off. You can do so in here in the control center or in your settings right here by opening up airplane mode, as you can see. After that, if this isn't fixing your problem and you try and you still don't have any cellular internet, what you're going to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can fix temporary glitches, so you can just go ahead and go here in the settings or turn off your iPhone, turn it on again, and then you check your coverage. Ensure you're in an area with a network signal. If all of this is on and you still have no cellular data and no service, go ahead and contact your local provider, and that's what you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.